I'm Gary Orren, and I'm teaching about persuasion in the CIC workshop. Using insights that I've gleaned from the fields of social psychology, political science, communications theory, I try to identify the top principles of effective persuasion. We define those principles, we illustrate them, we discuss those principles, and then we look at some narrative cases where people use the principles in different institutional settings so we can have some sense of what works and what doesn't work. Finally, we also conduct some role-play exercises in which the students themselves can practice the art of persuasion. At the beginning of the workshop, I issue a guarantee to the students and say, if you learn and use the principles of persuasion that we discuss, you will become more effective persuaders.